it's Robin, RS Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. We are on day 5 of the Advent series, and I can tell you right now that this is fabric. I'm going to say 1/4 yard, possibly a fat quarter, but you know, they're about the same. It's really interesting though, when you fold up a 1/4 yard, it fits like this, but a fat quarter tends to take up a different shape just because the 1/4 yard's cut like this and the fat quarter is cut from a 1/2 yard type situation. I digress. So, Advent series number 5. Now we are on Advent. Come on, Robin. Today's day number 5. I've said that 4 times and got it wrong every time, so let's see what's inside here. I'm going to guess that this is flamingos. I have a nice little flamingo fabric collection going. I can always add more if I don't drop it. Okay, let's try that again. I could always go for some flamingos. Maybe some gnomes. My friend's really good at finding gnome fabric for me. Sorry, Grandma. Oh, that is hilarious because I love this red fabric. I bought a few yards of it at Joann's or somewhere, one of the stores. I love this red on red fabric. I love anything that's red on red, yellow on yellow, anything that reads as color. It's tonal, tone on tone, whatever they call them. I love it. This is a 1/4 yard. I've been cutting into this for other projects and I was getting a little concerned because I bought it specifically for something, but I kept just taking little bits out of it. If you guys do that too, where you buy a fabric for a special project, but it works for other ones, so you just take a little bits at a time out of it. Did I send you a little bit, my friend? Let's see what you opened. Christmas Advent Day 5. Some more fabric to add to the stash, and this time I added in a dish drying mat. This is one of the ones from the Dollar Tree. I thought she could go ahead and make herself a dish drying mat so that it matches her kitchen or uses up some of her favorite fabrics. I hope you liked what you got on day 5 because I love my red on red fabric. I love that. I'll take this in every color in existence, please. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.